You are gonna love these walnut and cauliflower taco meat wraps. They're completely plant-based, vegan, gluten-free, the whole thing. So what you're gonna do is combine about 1 cup of cauliflower florets with about 1 cup of walnuts in your food processor. I broke up my cauliflower to make it easier. I don't have the best food processor, so if yours is better, you probably don't even have to worry about that. Then I added my walnuts, and then I added seasoning. I have a mixture. It's paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, turmeric, onion powder, red chili flakes. But you can add whatever seasoning combination you like. Sometimes I'll just add a vegetable bouillon cube to things like this because it's just quick and simple. I added 1 or 2 teaspoons of olive oil and then just process it, chop it right up. It only takes like 2 minutes tops. It blends pretty well. And then this is the time I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Then I went and got a baking sheet and I lined it with foil. And then spread out the mixture on your baking sheet. And try to make it one even layer so that it cooks evenly. You want the cauliflower to become a little bit crispy and the walnuts to become a little bit crunchier. This is such a nutritious meat replacement. It's packed with protein, fiber, all kinds of vitamins and minerals, everything you need. Okay, and then only bake it for about 12 minutes, and that's it. I like to fill it with cabbage. You can use a butter leaf, butter lettuce. Whatever kind of lettuce wrap you like, you can use tortillas. You can put this in pasta sauce. It's just a great nutty, earthy meat substitute. And it's all natural, so it's just I prefer this kind of meat replacement than prepackaged processed things from the store like tofu and seitan. And then you can add some vegan cheese. I love vegan cheese. Vegan mayo, and I put buffalo wing sauce. Sriracha is really good too. So this is just a really quick and easy, under 20 minutes, perfect plant-based recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.